Let's take a minute to talk about your business, shall we? Why would I care about your business? Well, because I do. I've been where you are. I've been in that space where I didn't know what to do next. I was doing all the marketing, going to all the seminars, I thought I could rule the world. And what was happening is people weren't coming to me. I didn't have the clients. I wasn't charging them enough. I wasn't making enough money. I couldn't pay myself. Every now and then I would think, God, I need to go and get a job. And people around me would say, oh, why don't you just go and get a job? But I was determined. I was determined to find the answer, because if people could be successful, I could be successful. And so I set about trying to work out how to be successful, what the people that were successful were doing that was different to what I was doing. And I discovered it was the mindset. The mind was set in the wrong direction. I was set in the whole memory of failure, of being made redundant, of not having enough money, of earning a couple of £1,000s a month. I wasn't set in success mindset. I wasn't set in the direction of the entrepreneurial, how do I make money? How do I go into the solutions instead of stay in the problems? So I sorted that out. So I learned NLP. NLP changed my life. And it'll change yours too. I'm holding a 2-day workshop called NLP for Business. The reason I'm using business people or teaching business people is because I am one and I get it and I understand the pain. And also there's no point in having a load of skills and not being able to really maximize them in a place where you need to get a competitive advantage. So that's what this is all about. I'm Vivian Joy. I'm an NLP master trainer, a master practitioner, and I will help you to get out of your own way, change your beliefs, your thoughts, your processes, all those outdated maps that you've got carrying around in your brain that are keeping you a little bit trapped where you are now. Either that you're not trapped, but you need to go to the next level and you don't know how to do that. And so NLP will help you to master that, master your mind so that you can master your life. We'll learn different processes, different techniques, ways of handling things, including yourself and other people. We'll look at strategies that help you to do visioning. And I don't mean creating a vision board. I mean from in here, so that it comes from every part of you and it is every ounce of your being. We'll learn some techniques for communication, rapport building, marketing, sales, how to get those people to just beautifully come to you and you be attractive to them and then want to work with you. These are all the kind of things we're going to cover over 2 very intensive, fully immersive days. Are you up for it? Are you ready for it? Is it something that you definitely could use for yourself? I will warn you that those 2 days are going to change your life. Things that you think, you believe, and you know will no longer be. It's £395. I've got very limited places. Half of it's booked already, and I haven't even put this video or any marketing out because people that know me know the transformation I can take them through and that I've been through myself. So if you're interested and you want to book on, please do click on the link and book yourself in, and I'll see you in Northamptonshire, and we're going to help you change your world and change your business.